Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss JavaScript, and this is the introduction part of JavaScript. In my upcoming videos are on JavaScript. In short, JavaScript is also known as JS. JavaScript is a scripting language. JavaScript is a cross-platform interpreted and scripting language, right? Script tag is used to JavaScript inside the HTML and to make the behavior of the website more dynamic. So this is the actual use of JavaScript within the script tag inside the HTML. JavaScript was developed by Brendan Eich in the year 1995. So go to the computer screen, how we can build the program in JavaScript and what the use of JavaScript in coding through HTML or inside the HTML. I will provide the code of JavaScript step by step. So let's dive in. Hello friends, so this is the video for introduction to JavaScript. So in this video I will describe lots of steps, lots of code in JavaScript. In short, we can say it's called JS, right? So at first we should know what is JavaScript. JavaScript, short is known as JS, is a lightweight cross-platform and scripting programming language, right? Means it doesn't need any compilation, right? JavaScript is used to create client-side dynamic pages, but today it's also used for server-side programming, or also known as server-side scripting language, right? JavaScript was originally developed by Brendan Eich of Netscape Communications Corporation under the name Mocha, then LiveScript, and finally renamed it to JavaScript. So this is the picture of Brendan Eich, right? JavaScript was created in the year 1995. It was developed for Netscape Navigator version 2. Okay? JavaScript is a scripting language used to develop web pages. Okay? JavaScript is very easy to implement because it is integrated with HTML, hypertext markup language. Okay? JavaScript is not a compiled language, interpreted language. Okay, so this is actually the basic concept of JavaScript, right? Now we put some example of JavaScript code, how to write the code. Actually we should write within the script tag. Whatever the JavaScript code is there, you should write in the script tag. Actually script tag is used to add JavaScript inside the HTML and to make the behavior of the web pages dynamic, right? So how to write? Now within the script tag we are using some attribute type and put the value is text font/JavaScript. So it's what type of? It's a JavaScript type, okay? And then we write to print something within the window, should use document.write. And within double quote, whatever the string you want to print, just write, suppose for an example, JavaScript is a lightweight programming language, and after put semicolon, so it will print within the particular window, within the browser, just it will display JavaScript is a lightweight programming language, okay? The script tag specifies that we are using JavaScript because JavaScript is always within the script tag inside the HTML, right? The text/JavaScript is the content type that provides information to the browser about the data. Okay, means what type of data it is? It is a JavaScript type. The document.write function is used to display dynamic content through JavaScript. So in that way we can actually code our JavaScript, right? And where we are using? Within the script tag inside the HTML. right? Now the three places actually there where we put our JavaScript code within the HTML, right? The first step is that between body tag, which is present within the HTML, or we can put in the second way between head tag. Within the head tag we can put also the JavaScript code, or we can external JavaScript we can using another file .js, and we can import that particular file within the HTML, or we can use the source of that particular content of the JavaScript within our current HTML document, and in that case the file extension for the JavaScript is .js, right? Now just go to the notepad. I just write each and every example for these three places where we put our JavaScript code, right? So this is the first example. Just see, first example is contained about we can put the JavaScript within the body tag. How to write? Just write HTML, then body tag open, then put the script. Same way, type what? Text /JavaScript, and just we want to print document.write, and what we want to print? Hello JavaScript. This particular string should print within the window, and then we close our script tag, then close this body and close this HTML. That means we put the script tag within the body tag, right? Because one of the three options to put the JavaScript is within the body tag. Okay, so we already code it, means already write the code in the notepad, and if you want to save it, just go to file and save. Suppose we want to save in my desktop and put the name of the file is suppose example_1, and as a HTML document is concerned, the extension should be .html. So HTML, and press enter, right? Now if you just go to my desktop part, so this is my desktop, so this is the particular file example1, just double click on there. Yes, we got the result hello JavaScript into there, right? So within the body we can put, that means within the body we can put our JavaScript code within the script tag, right? Now go for the second place where we can put our JavaScript within the head tag, right? So this is the example where we put our JavaScript where within the head tag inside the HTML. So same way, the HTML tag is open, head tag is open. Now we put this script tag within this head part, and then head close, then body, and then body close, and then HTML. Now what actually we did here? We did to put some function, right? In JavaScript you can use some function. Suppose we using a function name is MSG. We put the function name, and what it actually given? Some alert, right? We don't put here document.write, we put here alert function, and the message will display this message hello JavaScript, right? So this is the function, body is there, so script is closed. Now head is closed. Now in body section of the HTML we put a paragraph, welcome to JavaScript, this line should be given, and then we use some form, means have some button we are using here within the form, and input type is button, and value is click, means when you click on that button we got the alert, and what the alert message? Hello JavaScript, and that's why action is on click, and it call this message function, and then we just close this input, close this form, close this body, and close this HTML. Same way, if you save it, just go to file, go to save option. Suppose now you put the file name example_2.html, because we already told JavaScript should present inside the HTML, so that's why the extension is .html. Just save it. Then again we go to my desktop, this is the example2, just double click into there. Welcome to JavaScript, this line is there because this line is already given within this HTML. Now this a button is there and written that click. If you click on there, some alert window is there, and this window message is hello JavaScript. So this is put into the particular head section of this function MSG function. This alert contains this line hello JavaScript, right? So this is the second example where actually we put the JavaScript within the head part. First one within the body part, second one within the head part. Now go for the third one where we put our JavaScript externally, means we write our JavaScript in an external file and then use this file, or we are using this JavaScript code within our HTML another file, right? So now this is the particular file where we write some code in JavaScript. We using the function, the previous example same thing, but we using only the function, and the function name is msg, and it just put the alert function, and just same way hello JavaScript is there. Now we save this file, just go to file and save, and suppose we put the file name is msg.js, because this is a JavaScript file, it's not an HTML file, it's a JavaScript file. That's why I put any name. So I put the name of the file is as save in the desktop, so msg.js, and save it. Right now in my HTML part we write the code, HTML head, now script is same, type equal text JavaScript. Now src means where the source of this external JavaScript, just put the name of the file already saved, msg.js. Then script is closed, head is closed, means we put this within the head part. Then body open, same way we just write welcome to JavaScript. Same way form, and form close, input same way, type is button, value is click, on click is msg, this function will call, and then input is close, form close, body close, HTML. Means second example and third example is same, but difference is that second example we put the JavaScript within the head tag, and here we are use some JavaScript file which is present in the external part, and we just put that code from the outside. Externally we are using this code within the HTML. So that's why you are using another attribute src msg.js. Okay, now means this msg.js actually contain the body of this msg function. Right now we save this file same way, save where my desktop, and put suppose example underscore 3.html. right now save it. Now just go to that my desktop, this is a example underscore 3, and just see this is an msg.js, this is a JavaScript file, just double click into there. So same result, whatever the two, same result, but what if we click on there, it will come, but where from it come? It come from the outside, means externally. Right, so in that way we present the three different example of JavaScript where we put our JavaScript code either in body section or in head section or external section using JavaScript extension is any file name.js. I hope you have understood today's introduction video of JavaScript, how to run the code of JavaScript which is present inside the HTML within the script tag. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have some doubts from today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Keep watching Technical Arcane. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, share it more and more, and keep watching Technical Arcane for more upcoming new topics, and also from this JavaScript is concerned. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.